Okay, I'm gonna move forward with lunch. I've got a big Mexican theme going, and to go with everything, I'm making chili con queso dip. I love chili con queso. It's technically a dip, and I'm gonna take some chips for the guys to eat it with, but it's also gonna be part of the whole spread. They can spoon it over the chicken, whatever it is on their plate. I love this stuff. I chopped up a large yellow onion, and I've been browning it in just a little bit of vegetable oil, and I added a whole roll, a pound of breakfast sausage. It's hot sausage, and this is what sets the chili con queso apart from the regular stuff, which is usually just a cheese dip. This has meat in it, it's got some chilies. This stuff is very habit forming, so enter at your own risk. Okay, I've got the sausage all broken up. Now, the key ingredient in any chili con queso, of course, is cheese, and I use this stuff that needs no introduction at all. And I'm just gonna cut it up into big cubes. I have a lot of practice with this. My kids love this stuff, my husband loves it. I make chili con queso anytime there's a big football game going on. I'm just cutting this into big squares, and then this is gonna go right into the pan with the sausage. Now, I'll break up the cubes and just throw this right in. I'm gonna turn the heat to low. I don't want it to burn. That's the beauty of this stuff. It melts a lot more smoothly than any other cheese you can find. Okay, now I'll just stir this in and let it start to melt. Okay, and while it melts, I'll chop up a fresh jalapeno just to add some nice heat. I'll cut off the top and bottom, and I'll cut it into quarters. Now, so it's not too overwhelming spice-wise, I'll cut out the membranes and get rid of most of the seeds. You do want the queso to have a little bit of spice, but not too much. And then I'll just slice up the jalapeno and dice it up. Okay, the jalapenos are nice and finely diced. Now, the cheese is looking absolutely perfect. It's creamy and dreamy and divine, just what I expected it to be. Now, another essential ingredient to chili con queso is a can of tomatoes with diced chilies. And I put the juice in because that's where a lot of the flavor is. But this also gives the chili con queso great texture, nice bits of tomato and chili. I love the green chili component, so I also add another couple of cans of just diced green chilies. Of course, you can roast your own chilies, peel them, dice them, but this is so much easier. Okay, stir that around, and then for heat, I'll add the diced jalapenos. All right, I'll just make sure it's all stirred together. It looks absolutely wonderful. Great with chips, great with most anything.